Can you imagine a world where machines understand us, aid us, and even outthink us? Welcome to the future of artificial intelligence. Today, we explore the latest marvel from the labs of OpenAI, the GPT-4. In the timeline of artificial intelligence, the year 2023 marks a significant milestone. OpenAI, known for its groundbreaking work in AI, introduced the world to its latest creation, GPT-4. As the successor to the highly successful GPT-3, this new model took AI capabilities to a whole new level. GPT-4's inception began with the aim of improving complex problem-solving. An example of its prowess is its ability to provide practical solutions for challenging scenarios, such as cleaning a tank teeming with piranhas. The model was designed to process, dissect, or even generate text up to 25,000 words in length. But it didn't stop at text. GPT-4 went beyond, showing proficiency in coding across all principal programming languages. It also demonstrated an ability to interpret images and engage with them in intricate ways. This leap in capabilities marked a significant advancement for OpenAI's ChatGPT, previously limited to verbal outputs. The development of GPT-4 was no small feat. It was a result of several months of dedicated fine-tuning, focusing on safety and alignment with user intent. The strategies employed in refining GPT-4 laid the groundwork for future AI systems designed to augment human capabilities. In May 2023, news surfaced that OpenAI was preparing to release an open-source AI model, following the release of its closed-source chatbot, ChatGPT. This decision came amidst pressure from free alternatives to mainstream models, highlighting the competitive and rapidly evolving nature of the AI field. The emergence of AI interfaces like GPT-4 is changing the way we live, but it also raises questions about ethics and morality. Concerns about AI giving harmful advice or spreading misinformation are valid. The future of AI is uncertain, but it is already ingrained in our lives. It may impact white-collar jobs, but may only replace certain tasks, not expert-level work. AI can also reinforce biases and discrimination. The challenge lies in improving the ethics of AI, as it lacks a concept of truth and learns from examples. To summarize, GPT-4 is a significant advancement in the field of AI, capable of complex problem-solving, proficient in coding across all principal programming languages, and able to interpret images in intricate ways. However, the ethical implications of such technology cannot be ignored and must be addressed as we continue to integrate AI into our daily lives. The future of AI is here, and it's both exciting and challenging. Tune in next time as we continue to explore the fascinating world of artificial intelligence.